Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 1. In maths, today a topic is ordinal numbers. Today we will deal page number 48, 49, 50 and 51. After watching this lesson, students will be able to recognize ordinal numbers, write ordinal numbers, arrange days of the week with ordinal numbers. So students, let's start our today's lesson. Using ordinal numbers, we can tell the position of an animal in a group. Look at the zoo train. In this zoo train, the lion is in first position. The rabbit is in second position. Mr. Frog is in third position. Monkey is in the fourth position. Tiger is in the fifth position. Crocodile is in sixth position. Deer is in seventh position. Mouse is in 8th position, giraffe is in 9th position, and Mr. Elephant is in 10th position. Now I am going to do page number 49, question number 1. Look at these animals from the zoo train on the previous slide. They are in the wrong order. Put them in the right order by writing in the box. The first one is crocodile. Can you tell me which position do crocodile has in the zoo train? Yes, crocodile has 6th position, so here we write 6 in this box. S-I-X-T-H, 6. Now the next one is the lion. Lion has the first position in the zoo train, so here we wrote first in the box. Now the next animal is monkey. Which position do the monkey has in the zoo train? Yes, the monkey has 4th position, so here we write 4th. F-O-U-R-T-H. Now giraffe has 9th position, so here we write 9th. N-I-N-T-H. Now rabbit has 2nd position, so here we write 2nd. S-E-C-O-N-D. Elephant has 10th position, so here we write 10th. T-E-N-T-H, 10th. Tiger has 5th position, so we write 5th in the box. F-I-F-T-H, 5th. Now frog has 3rd position, so we write 3rd in the box. T-H-I-R-D, 3rd. Deer has 7th position, so here we write 7th. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, 7th. And in the end, mouse has 8th position. Now I am going to do page number 50, ordinal numbers. This is the chain of migratory birds flying south for the winter. Find out more about these birds and their long flights. Now I am going to do question number 2 of page number 50. Circle the birds. The first question is, circle the 10th bird in blue. Here we have to circle the 10th bird in blue. So, where is the 10th bird? Yes, Here it is. So, here we circle the 10th bird blue. Now, the next question is circle the 3rd bird in yellow. So, here is 3rd bird and circle it yellow. Now, circle the 9th bird in orange. So, here is orange circle on 9th bird. Now, circle the 6th bird in green. Here is 6th bird and circle it green. Now, circle the 5th bird in red. So, here is the 5th bird and circle it red. Now, I am going to do question number 3. Answer the following. The first question is, name the second bird Gia. Where is the second bird? Yes, here it is. So, here is second bird and we named her Gia. The second question is, name the 7th bird Peter. So, here is 7th bird and named him Peter. Now, I am going to do page number 51. Question number 4. Ordinal numbers, days of the week. The question is, write the missing words. One has been done for you. Monday is the first day of the week. Now the next is, Tuesday is the, which day of the week is Tuesday? Yes, second day of the week. So here we write second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. The next one is, Wednesday is the 3rd day of the week. Wednesday is the 3rd day of the week. So here we write third, T-H-I-R-D, third. Thursday is the 4th day of the week. So here we write fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H. Friday is the, yes, 5th day of the week. So here we write fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Thursday is the 6th day of the week. So here we write sixth, S-I-X-T-H, sixth. Sunday is the, yes, 7th day of the week. So here we write seventh, S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. Now I am going to do question number 5. Match each day to the correct ordinal number. One has been done for you. So let's start. Sunday is the, yes, 7th day of the week. So here we match Sunday with 7th. Tuesday is the 2nd day of the week. Thursday is the 4th day of the week. So here we match Thursday with 4th. Wednesday is the 3rd day of the week. Monday is the 1st day of the week. Friday is the 5th day of the week. And Saturday is the 6th day of the week. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 49, 50 and 51 on your book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.